Welcome to Health Haven Tips, your trusted source for practical health insights. Today, we're about to unlock the power of a tiny seed that can make a big difference in your health journey. Chia seeds. We are the guardians of your well-being, here to empower you with knowledge that can transform your life. Health Haven Tips is your go-to destination for evidence-based health and nutrition advice. Join us on a journey to better health. In a world full of dietary choices, chia seeds stand out as a nutritional powerhouse. Today, we'll dive deep into their potential, especially when it comes to weight loss. Let's explore what makes these tiny seeds so remarkable. But don't just take our word for it. People all around the world have been incorporating chia seeds into their diets and experiencing incredible transformations. This video is for you, whether you're seeking better health, looking to shed some extra pounds, or simply curious about these tiny wonders. We've got something for everyone. Let's start by understanding what makes these little wonders so special. Chia seeds may be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to nutritional value. Chia seeds are often dubbed a superfood for a reason. They're a rich source of essential nutrients, including fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Chia seeds have earned their reputation as a secret weapon in the battle of the bulge. Their high fiber content plays a vital role in supporting your weight loss goals. When you consume chia seeds, they're like little sponges in your stomach. They absorb liquid and expand, creating a sense of fullness that can curb overeating. This magical transformation happens because chia seeds are incredibly hydrophilic, meaning they love water. Their ability to expand in your stomach is a game changer. It sends signals to your brain that you are full, reducing those mid-afternoon snack cravings. As a result, you'll find yourself reaching for those unhealthy snacks less often. You'll also have a more controlled appetite, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. So when you add chia seeds to your diet, you're not just adding nutrients, you're adding a powerful tool to help you shed those extra pounds. Now let's dive deeper into the weight loss benefits of chia seeds. These tiny seeds packed with omega-3 fatty acids can be a game changer for your journey. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, the same heart-healthy fats found in salmon and walnuts. But here's the exciting part. These fats aren't just good for your heart. They're also your allies in the battle against the bulge. Omega-3s in chia seeds help boost your metabolism, which is like the engine that burns calories in your body. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories, even when you're at rest. But there's more. Omega-3s in chia seeds also have anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s can also help reduce the storage of fat in your body. So when you include chia seeds in your diet, you're not just enjoying a delicious addition to your meals, you're also bringing in omega-3s that can give your metabolism a boost, reduce inflammation, and help your body shed excess weight. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, how chia seeds can support your weight loss journey. Their unique combination of fiber, omega-3s, and nutrients makes them a fantastic addition to any weight loss plan. Chia seeds are like superheroes for your heart. They work their magic by reducing bad cholesterol levels, known as LDL cholesterol. Chia seeds contain soluble fiber, and when you eat them, they form a gel in your stomach. This gel slows down the absorption of bad cholesterol, preventing it from clogging your arteries. But that's not all. Chia seeds also support the good guys, HDL cholesterol, which cleans up excess cholesterol from your arteries. By promoting the production of HDL cholesterol, chia seeds help maintain a healthy cholesterol balance, reducing the risk of heart disease. So chia seeds not only make your meals tastier, but also keep your heart happy and healthy. One of the key ways chia seeds aid in weight loss is by promoting a feeling of fullness. When mixed with liquid, they form a gel-like substance in your stomach, helping you feel satisfied and preventing mindless snacking. By making you feel full with fewer calories, chia seeds can naturally reduce your daily calorie intake. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your weight. Chia seeds' high fiber content can help stabilize blood sugar levels. This means fewer energy spikes and crashes, which often lead to unhealthy food choices and excessive snacking. Another fascinating aspect of chia seeds is their impact on nutrient absorption. Their gel-like consistency can slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, allowing your body to make the most of the nutrients you consume. Are you someone on a weight loss journey, searching for natural, sustainable solutions? Chia seeds could be your trusted ally. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and boost your overall well-being, keep watching. Chia seeds might be the secret ingredient you've been missing. Now it's time for a challenge that can kickstart your weight loss journey. The Chia Seeds Challenge is simple but effective. For the next 14 days, consider incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine. We recommend starting with a teaspoon of chia seeds mixed in a glass of water or your morning smoothie. The key to success is consistency. Make chia seeds a part of your daily diet and let them work their magic over the course of this 14-day challenge. Knowledge is a powerful tool in your health journey. Understanding how certain foods impact your well-being is the first step to positive change. So are you ready to take on the Chia Seeds Challenge and discover the benefits for yourself? Join the conversation in the comments below and let us know your experiences with chia seeds and this weight loss challenge. We're excited to hear your thoughts and experiences as you embark on this journey with us. Your feedback is invaluable, and we'll be right here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier you. Until next time, stay well and take good care.